Bharatnaryani.com.
Next is the construction of similar triangles. First question, construct a triangle. Construct a triangle of sides 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and then a triangle similar to it, and then a triangle similar to it, whose sides are 2/3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. 2/3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Here the scale factor is given to be 2/3. Scale factor is 2/3. Since 2/3 is a proper fraction, our similar triangle will be smaller than the given triangle. Since the value of 2/3 proper fraction is less than 1, we have to draw a similar triangle which will be smaller than the given original triangle. First of all, we have to draw the original triangle with the given measures. 3 sides are given, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. We are constructing a triangle with the given measures. Draw a line segment of length 6 centimeter. Draw a line segment of length 6 centimeter. Name it as AB. AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Other two sides are 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Measure the lengths 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Draw an arc with center and radius 4 centimeter. Take 5 centimeter, measure 5 centimeter. Draw an arc with center B and radius 5 centimeter. The point of intersection, let the point of intersection be C. Now join AC and BC. Join AC and BC. We are getting triangle ABC of sides 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Now draw a line segment of any angle and of any length. Now we have to divide the given line segment into 3 equal parts because the scale factor is 2/3 and the large number is 3. So we have to divide into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Name it as A1, A2 and A3. Join A3 to the point B. Join A3 to the point B. Now draw another line segment which is parallel to A3B through A2. We have to draw a line segment which is parallel to A3B through A2. For that, with A3 as center, draw one arc. Without changing this radius, with the center A2, draw another arc. Then measure the arc length inside the angle. Arc length is measured inside the angle. And draw another arc which is intersecting the second arc. Join A3B parallel to A2 and the point of intersection. By joining these 2 points, we will get a line segment which is parallel to A3B intersecting the side AB. Joining A2 to the point of intersection of the 2 arcs, we are getting a line which is parallel to A3B. Name it as B dash. Again, through B dash, draw another line segment which is parallel to BC. The same process is repeating. With the center B, draw an arc of any radius. Without changing that radius, draw another arc with B dash as center. Now measure the arc length inside the angle. Intersect the second arc with this measure by drawing another arc. Join B dash to the point of intersection of the two arcs. Join B dash to the point of intersection of the two arcs. This is a line which is parallel to BC, and name this point as C dash. Now A dash, A, C dash, B dash will be the required triangle. We can show the required triangle by shading interior part of the smaller triangle. A, B dash, C dash is the required triangle. A, B dash, C dash is the required similar triangle similar to AB, similar to triangle ABC. Once again, first of all, draw a line segment of length 6 cm, AZ of 4 cm and BC of 5 cm. Then with the center A, draw a line segment and divide it into 3 equal parts. Join A3 to the end B. Then with center A3, draw an arc of any radius. Without changing that radius, with A2 as center, draw another arc. Now measure the arc length inside the angle A3B. Mark that arc length in the second arc and join A2 the point of intersection of the two arcs. Now we will get a line which is parallel to A3B, that is A2B dash. Again, we have to draw another line segment which is parallel to BC. For that, with B as center, draw an arc without changing that radius. With B dash as center, draw another arc. Then measure the arc length inside the angle B and intersect the first arc with that arc length. Join B dash to the point of intersection of the two arcs and B dash C dash, the line segment B dash C dash will be parallel to BC. Now A, B dash, C dash is the required similar triangle which is similar to ABC.